This is the Hydraforce exhaust blowout kit. Just going to do a short video on how it works. That's it. Two parts to it, that for the silencer end and that for the barrel end. The most important thing about using this kit is that you get rid of all the air out of the system. That means out the pump, the pipe that goes to the exhaust and the exhaust. As long as you get rid of all the air, nothing's going to fly off like a rocket. Right, let's have a go, see if we can blow this dint out. We need to take that out of there, wind that back a bit. Thread the pipe from the pump through there. And we need to attach it to that. There's a little fibre washer to go in there. The fibre washer in. And then we need a 22mm spanner and a 17mm spanner. Turn that on there. Put that back in. Wind that back till this plate doesn't go back anymore. Sort of hold it. Get onto the exhaust. Check everything's in line. And give that a gentle nip. Okay, now I need to get rid of the water, get rid of the air that's in this pump and in this pipe. We're going to pump some water through. Get a good few pumps. Make sure you got rid of all the air. Now we're going to turn it round and fill it with water from this end. I've already put some in. But we'll need a bit more. So full. I'm going to put this end on. Felt it go past the O-ring there, so I know it's all the way on. I'm going to need the spanner that comes with the kit and a 27mm spanner, or a socket as I've got. This needs to be fairly tight, but you don't need to jump up and down on it. Do. The way the exhaust is shaped, we're going to have some trapped air in this point here. So we need to get rid of that out of this end. Little copper washer on there, careful not to lose that. I'm going to rotate the exhaust, allowing any air to go upwards. Up to this end. don't want that pointing at anyone or anything that's going to come to damage, so just be careful with that. Right. And pump some more water in. Eventually, I hope there's going to be some water comes out of that end. There must have been quite a lot of air trapped in there. Put that in. 10mm spanner and a gentle nip. Right, fairly confident we've got rid of all the air, so I'm going to start applying a bit of pressure with the pump. This dint here hopefully is going to come out. Right, it's coming. That's about 400 psi in there at the moment. That's about 500 psi. We've got a little pin prick down here. It's letting a little bit of water out. That does happen from time to time. I took it up to about 550 there. Not much is going to move after that, so I'm going to leave it at that. Now I'm going to undo this little valve here to release the pressure. That's it out.